Julie, one arms only. That's good. Alright, no wait. Tori. That's good. Alright, sit ready. Ready. Build 10. And go. Alright, that's 1. 2. Building up. 3. Back. That's 4 and through. 5. 39. 6. Tall. 7. That's it, ladies. 8. 39 and a half. 9. Back. 10. High 20. On this one. Through. That's 2. Back. 3. We're on, ladies. 4. 40 and a half. That's it. Good. Quick legs. 7. Back. 8. Staying tall. 9. Through. 10. Another 10. That's 1. Start it strong. 2. Through. 3. Top edges. 4. Good. 5. 41 and a half. 6. That's it. 7. Keep it. 8 and 2. Lengthen 10. That's 1. Send 2. Lengthen on this one. Long back. 2. That's it. 3. Straight down. 36. Down and away. Quick legs. Quick legs. That's 7. 35. 8. Good. Keep it. 9. That's it. 10 and through. Quick. Tall. Quick. Tall. Backing those blades in all together. 1 catch. 1 release. Good. Not much layback. Just bringing it back. Drop those knees on this one. Good. Send. Quick. Send. Keep it. That's it, ladies. That's what I like to see. There we go. All right. Let's come up on Vesper. Take him by surprise. Pull him in. Good. Quick legs. With every stroke, take an inch. Good. Right here. Quick. Back. Quick. Back. First 500 right here. That's it, ladies. Bring it down. That's it. 144 in 2. Keep it. We're going to take 10. Pull Vesper in. That's 1. Send. 2. On this one. Bring him in. Right here. 2. Send. 3. 144. 4. 35 and a half. That's it. Keep it nice and long together. Easy to that catch here. Legs back. Legs back. Keep it, ladies. Good. Nice and strong. Nice and tall. That's it. Good. All right, we have 3 lengths between us and Vesper. They started before us. And the reason why is so we could catch up, so they could have a chance. Let's go. Push them away with every stroke. That's it, ladies. That's it. And while we're at it, push Cincy. That's it. Good. Quick legs. Quick legs. I see the 1,000-meter mark coming up. 35 and a half. 145. Keep it. Nice. Down. Quick. Down. Back it in here, ladies. Top edges. In and out together. In and out. In and out. Good, ladies. 144. Keep it nice and tall. Back it in together, following Tessa. Here. Quick. Here. Quick. Here. Good. Shape those finishes. Muscles engaged all the way through. Even into the release. Good. 35 and a half. Nice. Consistent. 145. Keep it. Quick legs. Quick legs. Keep it. Good, ladies. That's it. That's it. All right, in 2, take 10. Pull up to the 1,000. That's 1. Send. 2. 10 right here. Bring it up and past. 2. Good. 3. That's it, ladies. 4. Send it. 5. That's it. 6. Through. 7. Tall. 8 and 2. Smile for the 1,000. That's 1. Send. 2. That's it. New race 10. 1. 2. That's it. Fresh legs. Bring it back. That's 4. Keep it. 5. 140. That's it, ladies. Good. Nice. Sharp. Send. Sharp. Send. Keep bringing it back every stroke. That's an inch right there. Another there. Good, ladies. Good. That's it. Quick. Send. 35 and a half. 138. Hell yeah, ladies. That's what I like to see. Back it in. Through. Back it. Through. That's it, Tessa. Let me see you get that catch. Quick. Sharp. Back. Aggressive. Send. Good, Heather. Let's see it. That's in and out. Back it in. Get that backsplash. Here. Send. Hell yeah. That's it. Good. Quick legs. That's it, Mia. Get it in. Top edge. Through. Drop those knees. Send it. Quick legs. Quick legs. That's it, Abby. Push it in. In and through. Straight. Back to the bow and pass right here. Good. That's it. Sophie, keep it. Back it in. Through. Good. Top edge. Bury it. Send. Bury it. Send. 36 and a half. That's it, ladies. Anna. Eyes in the boat. push straight back. Good, tall. Eyes right on Sophie's head, Anna. Keep it in. Keep focused. Good, send it back. Quick, send. Good, Julia, send it straight through. Nice and tall. That's it, Tori. Show you're in the 1V. Good, back it. Quick, send. That's it, last 500. In 2, take 10. Pull them all in. That's 1, 2, on this one. Pull Vesper now. 2, and back. That's an inch on this stroke. 3, and another one. 4, good. That's 5, 37. Keep it long. 143. Down with that split. Good, send. Quick, send. Keep it, ladies. That's it. Nice. Quick, legs. Shape those finishes. Top edge. Good. Abby, get that top edge in. Bury it. All the way through that drive. Good. Send. Quick, send. That's it. We've gotten about half a length on Vesper since we started. Keep pulling them in. Every stroke, take the water out from under them. That's it. Send it. Quick, legs. Good. 37 and 2. Give me 39. Let's bring it up. Send and 2 on this one. Through that drive, bring it. Sharp. Send. Sharp. Send. Last 250 here. All out. Good. Taking seconds off with each and every stroke. 39, good. 141, drop that split, bring it down. Sub 140 into, that's 1, back. 139, that's it. Top 7 here, ladies. Good, send it. Quick, tall. 137, hell yeah. 39, bring it back. Nice, legs. Quick, legs. Blackout 10 and 2, finish it off. That's 1, send. 2, shut the lights out, bring it back. That's 2. Good. 39, send it. 4, through. 5, keep it tall. 6, legs. 7, legs. 8, nice and tall. 9, send, and paddle. Nice job, ladies.